SLR cameras packed with HD video functions are fine for some filming, but camcorders offer so much more. The Panasonic HDC-TM700 HD camcorder will produce footage of much superior quality to even the best SLR cameras. It features an advanced 3MOS system and a 35mm wide-angle Leica Dicomar lens that provides 12 times optical zoom and 18 times intelligent zoom. The camcorder films in full 1920 by 1080 Full HD to produce nice and crisp footage, while it's possible to still take images as well. Other cool features include the 32GB built-in memory and SD card with relay recording function, as well as intelligent auto with face recognition. Best of all, this camcorder and loads of others from Panasonic are available from Purely Gadgets with a great discount.